Hey everybody, just got my two boxes in today. I'll be opening both of them, but we're going to start with the 2011-2012 Elite, and the next one is going to be the Contenders. Checklist. Get 20 packs. Hopefully we'll hit something. Basically anything Ryan Nugent-Hopkins would be okay with me. Most of the hits in this are the big hits are Ryan Nugent-Hopkins related. Got one thick one, maybe a we got two thick ones, maybe. No, yeah, maybe we'll get a. Wait, no, that's in Contenders. Local Singer Contenders. Okay. All right, let's start. Base. I'm only going to show you hits. It saves time, especially with 20 packs. And we have a Anze Kopitar, Aspirations. That one is not numbered. Rest is base. I think we're supposed to get. I don't know what the actual. This one is numbered to 999. It's a Blackhawks rookie, Marcus Kruger. Base. We have a Elite Series, Joe Sakic. Base. We have another Aspirations, Mike Richards. Base. Got a card numbered to 999. Matthias Ekholm, rookie. Got another Aspirations, Vinny Prospel. Looks like another rookie, maybe? No, rookie auto, Peter Holland. And that is not numbered for some reason. Got rookie stars, Adam Larson. This one is not numbered. Andre Dupont auto elite signings. That one is also not numbered. Man, you'd think they'd number some of these. Kind of disappointing, actually. Got another aspirations, Erik Karlsson. Oops. And we have a new breed jersey, Devontae Smith-Pelly. That one is not numbered. Man, are they going to number anything? Kind of upsetting, actually. '999 rookie, Thomas Kubalik. That's a thick pack. We'll save that. We've got Elite Series, Alex Ovechkin. Not numbered, of course. Got another aspirations, Alexander Edler. Cool cards though, I like them. Base cards. We've got Stars, Martin Brodeur. Not numbered. And this is another thick pack, but we'll go for it anyway. We've only got 3 packs left and all of them are thick, so. We've got a aspirations out of 99. Gold aspirations, I guess. That is Claude Giroux. If you couldn't recognize it. Okay. We got another aspirations out of 99. This is rookie Jan Save. It's not that bad. 2 out of 99s in a row. Could be worse. This is a pretty thick pack. Ooh, we got something. We have something. Okay. We're gonna bring the cards from the back. We got something here. We have Ed Belfour prime numbers, and that one is numbered to 484. That's a odd number to go to. Alright, so that was the 2011-2012 Elite. You can, the next video I'm going to do right now is going to be the 2011-2012 Panini Contenders. So hopefully you'll enjoy, join me for that.